Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detective YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing a brand new product from Turtle Wax. So this is the Wash and Wax Waterless Cleaning product. So just reading that, and I have read the back, so I sort of know what the product is, but so basically what we're testing is a wash and wax, but you don't need any water to sort of wash it. So let's read the back, and then that will sort of explain basically what the product is and what we're going to be doing with it today. So it says one-step formula washes without the need for a bucket or water. Wash anytime, anywhere. So just reading that one line, that means that, well, this product is designed to basically wash your car pretty much anywhere. So in effect, this bottle does what we do on the van, I guess, in a slightly different way. Yeah, because we wash, we can wash your car anytime, anywhere. We do use a bucket, 2 buckets and water though, so I guess it's not the same, but yeah, in that essence, like anywhere, anytime, yeah, we can do the same. Back to the product anyway. So it says Turtle Wax Hybrid Wash and Wax washes and waxes your vehicle without the need for water. Our one-step formula allows you to wash exteriors without a bucket, anytime, anywhere, even in direct sunlight. So there's no sunlight today, so we can't test that because, well, it is really cloudy. So yeah, we're not going to be able to test it in direct sunlight, but it does say you can use it in direct sunlight, so I guess that's a bonus. And then it says hybrid polymer technology encapsulates dirt and grime for a scratch-free clean. The water repellent formula will help water and rain roll off to keep the exterior clean. Fuse with waxes for a shiny, protective finish with no spots or streaking. So, just reading that, yeah, we're going to wash the vehicle with this one product. We're not going to use a sponge, we're not going to use a bucket, and we're not going to use any water. We're just going to use this one product. I know some of you will be shouting at the screen already saying, well, that's just going to scratch the car, which, yeah, to be fair, we're not normally a fan of these at all, because without your pre-wash snow foam, and then your rinse, and then your 2 bucket method, and then your rinse, yeah, there's still chance of scratching the car even with all those methods, but with this there's a higher chance. So yeah, we're not keen on these products, but it's a new product, and yeah, we're always happy to try new products, see how they work, because sometimes, like with the quick detailers, when the car enthusiasts go to car shows and that, they'll drive down the motorway, they'll clean the car before, drive down the motorway, get to the show, and then use a product like this to sort of clean over the car to make sure it's clean for, well, while they're at the car show. So products like this are good for that sort of situation, but to clean it on a day-to-day basis, I probably wouldn't use this product. But yeah, we'll try it out and see, well, what happens with the product and how I think how I think it performs. So let's go on to the directions. So number 1, shake well before use. 2, if the vehicle has caked on mud or soil, rinse with a strong stream of water first. So on the back, you sort of do need some water if the car is pretty dirty. So this car isn't, to be fair, it's probably not new for a few days, and the rain's been pretty hard, so it has washed most of it off. So there's no sort of like big soil marks or mud, so yeah, we're good, so we probably won't need any water with this. Number 3, use the product to spot clean and remove stains and stubborn soils with a microfiber cloth. Then clean one section at a time, starting with the upper exterior surfaces and the exterior glass first. Remove with a clean, dry microfiber. And then 6, repeat the process for the entire vehicle. Make sure to cover all the paint, wheels and trim. So, just reading that, it does tell you to start at the top of the vehicle first and work your way down. So that will sort of reduce the chance a tiny bit of scratching your vehicle, because the top of the vehicle is normally not really that dirty compared to the bottom of the vehicle. So, and what I'd suggest to do is, after a few panels, swap to a different microfiber so you're not dragging the dirt around. But what we're going to do, we're going to try this on a few panels, and it does say it's water repellent. So this car's already wet from the rain, so that will help with the product, sort of like lubricating it, because it's not just dry. So any dirt that's on there should come off fairly easy. So yeah, we'll do half the bonnet and then halfway along the side, and then after we've sort of seen how the product performs, then we'll get some water and see whether it's any different to the rest of the car, and see whether that water repellent behaviour is actually there. Cool, so let's start with the bonnet. I'll spray half the bonnet, and yeah, let's see how we get on. Okay, so I've just done the bonnet, but I forgot to hit record on the actual camera, so I'm going to repeat what I've just said on the window. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go to the door where it is a bit more dirtier. So yeah, put the product to the test a bit more. So I don't know whether it picks up on camera. As soon as you spray the product on the actual, well, on the surface, because it's got water on, the water does start to run off. Go get a dry microfiber. So just cleaning on the glass and this panel here, it doesn't feel like the cloth is dragging on the paint or the glass. So this product, well, it does feel like it lubricates the panels up. And so the cloth and the paintwork and the dirt don't drag across, so it doesn't feel like it's scratching the paintwork, which is a good thing. So sometimes if there's not enough lubrication there, it does feel like you're dragging the cloth along the paintwork, which is not a nice feeling, especially when you haven't got like water to wash your car to rinse it off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this section, so I'll lower the camera, and this section's a bit more dirtier than the glass was. So yeah, we'll see whether this product, well, see how it handles on dirt, and see whether you can still feel that lubrication, or whether you can feel the dirt dragging across it. So let's lower the camera and then we'll get started. Okay, so just like the glass, I'm going to use quite a lot of product. Reason being is because, well, I don't want to scratch the car. This is a company car, so not our company car, one of my parents' company cars, so we're not too bothered about it. So yeah, this is why we're testing the product on it. But yeah, I don't really want to actually like cause damage to the car, so I'm going to put quite a lot on there just to make sure I have got the lubrication that you need to sort of like clean the car. So I'm going to start from the top and again just wiping. So it does actually bring the dirt off, so it is cleaning the car, and as much as I don't want to say it, it's quite a nice product to use actually. Okay, so we've cleaned this panel and it has come up quite nice. Like I was saying a minute ago, the dirt has come off, and well, the cloth didn't seem to drag on the paintwork at all, so it is quite nice to use. What we're going to do now is we'll rinse this panel off to see whether there's any repellent to the water at all, and then yeah, we'll go back and we'll see. Well, I'll tell you my full thoughts and where you can get it from and the price as well. So let's bring the camera in closer, and then we'll see how the water behaviour goes on. Okay, so you've just seen me, well, taking the pressure washer to the side panels and then the bonnet as well. You can tell a tiny little bit that the water's, well, basically running off, so there's some protection there. With this product, like I said in this video, the product provides good lubrication between the cloth and the paintwork, so it doesn't feel like it's scratching. It possibly might be scratching the car. I guess it depends on how dirty the car is, and sort of, well, if there's any dust on there as well. But I tried to use quite a lot of this product, so it did reduce the chances of scratching. So this product, well, I'd probably use this as a quick detailer. It works nice and it brings a nice finish to the paint. So after you've cleaned the car, and then if you use this, I guess it provides some protection, and well, it brings a nice gloss to the car as well. I probably wouldn't use it how the product says to use it. Reason being is I don't like the idea of washing the car without water and snow foam and all those other methods which we generally do use. So yeah, for this product is good in my eyes as a quick detailer. It does work as it says, as a waterless waterless wash and wax. So the product clearly does work, and there is a slight hint of rain repellent on the finish as well. So the product does what it says on the bottle, but look, like I say, I'd probably use it more of a quick detailer than a waterless wash. The ideal use for this product is probably, like I said right at the beginning of the video, when you go into a car show or something, just to give your car a quick once over to wipe all like the dust off. That's probably where this product would come in handy. It's pretty cheap as well. It's £8. You can get it from Halfords, and I haven't used that much. It wasn't right to the top, so yeah, I haven't used that much. So you'd probably buy this and you probably wouldn't use a lot over your car. A few squirts per panel, and yeah, it brings a nice shine. So the price, as I've just said, is £8. Turtle Wax sent this was to try out. With the Turtle Wax products, they're releasing some new products over the next few months, and we're going to be one of the first guys to try those out. So look forward to those over, well, they're sending those round about the end of October. So yeah, we've been in talks with Turtle Wax to get some new products in that, well, no one's ever seen to the market before. So we're excited to try those, looking forward to that, and yeah, hopefully more Turtle Wax products on the way. So cheers for watching, guys. If you are interested in this product, go check it out. I'll leave a link below, so you you can go and buy this if you want. Like I said, more of a quick detailer for me, but it does work as a waterless wash and wax. Cheers for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and comment if you've got any comments on this video or any other video, and make sure you come back next week for another video. Cheers.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!